Okay, today on the menu, tonight, I'm gonna have me, where's the butter? Where did I put the butter? What the hell? There, not there. That's cheese, garlic. How the hell can I lose butter in a small fridge like this? Oh, there it is. Butter. Gonna have a pork shoulder blade steak. Okay, not bad. $10. Oh, $9. Get her fried up. Oh yeah. That cook for a while. Just let you know about the Bluetti, how she's been performing. It's the Elite 200 V2. I still haven't figured out the solar as far as the array I have set up, but I got a call into Bluetti, contact form, and they're going to help me out getting it set up properly. Might be the panels I have aren't compatible or something. But anyway, I got it hooked up through my charge controller, and it's at least usually taking in 100 watts throughout the day. And I got home after a day's work away, and it's still at 96%. So that's pretty darn good. Runs the whole cabin, fridge, and all the lights, TV, video player if I want to watch a DVD. So yeah, supplies all my power needs. That's a big chunk of meat. I don't know if I'm going to be able to eat all that, but I'll eat what I can and save the rest for the morning. Yeah, so I got the daughters coming for a visit tomorrow afternoon, Saturday. So that's going to be just awesome. So that always gives me a good reason or excuse to clean up the place, right? You got a visitor, you got to clean up a little bit, but I don't think it's too bad. What do you think? Shower, which is working well. Not too bad. Bedroom. Bed isn't quite made, but I got a suite, you could say, upstairs. And I just did all the linen in town at the laundromat. So it'll be good. Pork chop still cooking away. Blood's coming out. Must be getting cooked. Yeah, living room. It's looking okay. And upstairs, it might have been a while since I did a little tour of the cabin, but I've been doing little improvements, trying to make it more homey. Not homely, homey. Yeah, I gotta make the bed up here, but that's no problem for an old bachelor like me. See, I make the fire and then it gets too damn hot because I don't really need a fire. I was just trying to burn up some scrap I had. There's the view of the garden from up top. Keep an eye if there's anything coming along trying to ransack my garden. I can snipe them from up here. So yeah, all good. So it's gonna finish cooking this pork chop, or whatever it's called, some kind of pork. No bone in it. I don't know if it's considered a pork chop per se. Oh yeah, there's a bone in it. Look at that. I'm gonna have a bone to pick with you guys pretty soon. Okay, let's try it out. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Yep, very good. Very tasty. And not tough. Usually I cook it tough. Real nice. Cheers. Hope everyone has a good Friday and a great weekend. Do some fun stuff. Stop thinking about work. Enjoy life. You know what? Life, as you all know, is all about choices. And if you don't like the way something's going, today is the day to change it, I tell you. Don't wait till Monday. Good. Delish. And don't believe in addictions and habits. It's all in your own self-control. Don't fall for the excuse. Don't be the victim. Rise above it. You can always make an excuse. Excuse will get you nowhere. You know where sympathy is in the dictionary too. But on a brighter note, have a great Friday, a great weekend, and we'll catch you on the next video.